7 Wonder Pillars of our life. Number 1. Mother. The first person to welcome you in this world. She carries you for 9 months in a womb, few years in her arms, and forever in her heart. Love your mother. Number 2. Father. The first person to go through all the hardship just to see you smile, just to see you happy. He goes through all the difficulties in life. He sacrifices so many things and own comfort in life just to see smile on your face. Love your father. Number 3. Sibling. The first person to teach you the art of sharing and caring. Second best blessing after mother is sister. Your brother loves you more than anyone else in this world, but he will never say love and care your siblings. Number 4. Friends. Teaches you to respect people with different nature and viewpoints. They are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. Stand with your friends. Number 5. Love. The first person who makes you realize the value of sacrifice and compromise, and for whom you can fight with the whole world. Care for your love. Number 6. Children. How to be selfless and think about others before yourself. Your child teaches you. Learn from your child. Number 7. Grandchildren. You see your reflection in your grandchild. The only reason you want to live the life all over again. Relive with your grandchild. Be sure to spend most of the time of your life with your parents, family, and loved ones, because one day when you look up from a busy life and have all the wealth and luxury, there won't be anyone to share your success.